Are you a technology focused person, or are you so much into technology that you don't know where to start? If you're really interested in having a creative thought or implementing your creative thought, this video is going to be the right video for you, because you are going to know how to start off your career as a UI developer. Even if you already are a UI developer, this video will help you in how to upgrade your level. So either or ways, you will be knowing how and what are the skills that are required to start off at an entry level position, as well as to upgrade your levels accordingly. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Freshers Now channel. Today's video is all about UI developer. What are the skills required and how are they being placed? We are going to know in how they are placed in major cities and how major cities are paying them back. So with that note, we will now head over to the definition part to give you a brief idea about a UI developer. If you are a new person who would be not knowing anything about UI developer, do not get confused, because we got your back. So with that note, understand what you have seen on the screen. UI developer would be standing for, or stands for, user interface design. So this technology focused role is seeking to create digital software which entitles the user into a seamless interaction between the human and the computer. So you would be having, or you would be building up a bondage between a human and a computer. The relationship between a human and a computer would be all taken care of by a UI developer. So if you are a person who is interested in that, you would first should know about how you will be paid if you land in this profession. So on an average basis in India, a UI developer is paid 5 lakhs per annum. This is just taken on an average basis. Every amount that I am mentioning you, please do not stick on to it. This is just to give you an idea, as the source that we have collected is from PayScale. Check out their website for more details. So now we would know as to how their graph is going to look like by their experience levels. So the professional career of a UI developer is going to look like this. If you are one anywhere between 4 to 5 years of experience as well, do not worry at all, because your professional path is going to take a leap eventually over the years, because this UI developer is needed in every company, because every company needs its brand or a stand to be showcased to the globe. So if you are at an entry level position itself, this is the one which is going to give you or boost up confidence for you to elevate your career like this. Now we are going to know how each location is paying this UI developers. Location wise pay scales are as follows. For Bangalore, it is around 5,92,000 per annum. So that is almost crossing out the average pace when we take up the whole country itself. Everything that you are seeing here is just on an average basis that a source from PayScale is being collected to. The next major city is in Pune, which sums up to 5,33,000 per annum, which is a good amount of start. And in Mumbai, being a marketplace for many emerging national and international markets, is paying 4,97,000 for a UI developer. And in Hyderabad, over the south, a very, again, considered to be the land of opportunities, Hyderabad is paying 4,51,000 per annum, which is a very good start off. And in Noida, again, a very well known placed Noida itself is paying nearly 4,75,000 per annum. You might be having a question that is this going to be an entry level, or is this going to be from a medium level? Well, it depends upon the skills that you acquire and the experience that you gain. As I've already said, this is on an average basis. Eventually, if you have the right set of skills, you would be landing over the leapest position on your job. So if you are landing in a company, you should also be well aware how the companies are paying you. We would now look over some companies and how they are paying the UI developers. The first company is Oracle. Oracle is paying the highest pay, which is 8,50,000 per annum. So as I've said, don't just compare yourself or stick on to the amount which the location is paying you, but it also differs to the organization or the company that you're working to. So the next company is IBM. IBM with a good amount of pay, which is around 6,19,000. So how good is that? Almost reaching up or crossing out the average pays when we have taken the whole country itself. The next is in Accenture. Accenture is paying around 6 lakhs per annum, which is again a balanced payoff on a career professional growth. The next is Cognizant, 5,49,000, again almost reaching up to the other very well reputed companies in balance to it. The next we all know, which is the well heard company TCS. TCS itself is giving out you the opportunity of a UI developer with a pay of 4,62,000 per annum. So you can start off your career in TCS and upgrade your skills eventually. And next is in Infosys, 4,18,000. All these major companies are a very good start off with your career, as we all know. So to give you a brief idea, this is how their pay is going to be like. If you are having the right set of skills, eventually you will be upgrading. What are those skills? Here are the skills so that you can see. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, wireframing and prototyping skills, visual communication skills, interaction design skills, coding, analytical skills. All of these skills, not only just having them in your head, but putting them into action is much essential. Because every skill which is mentioned here needs a experience, needs that qualifying experience where it will be teaching you as to how you can eventually evaluate your ways and reframe them so that you would not be repeating any sort of mistakes or not able to understand the issues. So you would be understanding the whole environment of the particular team or the particular department that you will be further placed into. Next is, what does this person do? Not only just understanding the definition part, you should be understanding what are the key works that it is being aligned to a UI developer, as they would be responsible for looking and feeling the presentation of a website. Landing in a particular website is not just one click away, but as the globe is running on various websites, every particular thing or every work that we need is, first thing we do is open a particular website and then the proceedings will be further starting. Everything is taken care of a UI developer. So the presentation, how it is going to be working, how it needs to be working, and also meeting the need of the users, making it user friendly, making it much efficient and easy to understand. That is how a UI developer would be working. And also applications while ensuring the functionality. UI developers would be almost found within an industry that has a website or the application to build or maintain. So almost all the companies across the globe has their own website to represent or a particular application to represent. So with that note, a UI developer would be much essential in running this one. So it not only just creating and leaving, but eventually over the time, he or she should be knowing what are the upgrades that they can bring, what are the updates that they can implement it, what are the timely constraints that they have to know. So all of this would be taken care of a UI developer itself. So with that note, you must already have been understanding that the place of a UI developer is at this level and as much needed as more than you think. So the next section we are going to know is how you can become one. If you are interested in becoming one, note down the skills, understand the job role, take these key points, which are being proficient in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc., knowledge of Adobe Illustrator, and understanding the key designing principles, because website is equal to designing presentation. So that is how the equation runs. Good problem solving skills, because eventually having the versions of control is very much essential in this particular job role. So with that note, you should be knowing as to where the problem is occurring, which is the problem that needs to be rectified on an immediate basis, and what is the source of the problem which is continuously reframing it. So you would know which version that needs to be controlled and reframed for a solution part. Next, what are the job roles which are aligned with it? This is just to give you a brief idea. Working with other developers, that is, you have to work with a team to be ensuring that the website and the functionality is much more appealing and making it user friendly. And also you should all understand the client's needs. If you are working for a client, you should understand how the client wants their website to be presented to the world, how their ideas and perspectives and ideology needs to be implemented in action. That should be taken care of, and ensure that this particular website is to be optimizable for other application devices or other devices. So your website should not be sticking onto one device. It should be adaptable to other smartphones or tablets or any other technical devices which we all use on a day-to-day basis. It should be efficient enough on running on any sort of device that the user is using. So this is how the job roles are assigned with it, and these are the responsibilities as well that a UI developer needs to be fulfilling. So that is how it is going to go. And if you have any sort of suggestions or any opinions regarding this, feel free to put it in the comment section. Stay tuned for more career videos like this, because you would be having a brief outlook about a particular career path before you even step into it, as well as for all of those who are already in it. Upgrade your skills by checking out the videos like these, and consider subscribing for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching.